kau hoe hapai e mua o ke kai e wahine hoe wā me kane hoe wā o Mokuleia ka malo holo holo mai e kanaka kai ka lohi I ke kai e olu ahea mali e
The trail?
It says Coastal Hiking Trail.
Yeah, I think so.
What?
This is where we're at right here. So we're gonna go down to somewhere around here. This is the Waianae side. And we're on the Haleiwa side. No drones. Can't fly drones up here. I think there's a satellite station up there, that's why. Morning.
Wow, that's good. We had good timing then.
Yeah.
For the cherry blossom.
This road was impassable by foot unless you're gonna get your whole body dirty. Instead, we're gonna go back to the shoreline trail. Designated road, it says.
Hopefully we can make it through the shoreline.
Yeah.
We can walk on the side.
Hey, what is this wall?
Look, see the bottom picture?
It's dry down here except for one spot. Oh, it looks rainy, hon. All right.
We gotta look for this bee.
It looks scary.
A what? Bee.
Bee.
It's an endangered bee?
Yeah.
Oh. Help native plants grow and thrive. So ecosystem restoration is in progress. Is it
Go
over
back and see what that other thing was along there.
on the long
Okay,
side?
okay, sounds
Okay.
good, sounds good.
and see where it opens up.
Yeah.
Sand.
I just want to look at the beach.
Very sandy.
Yeah.
Deep sand.
Fine sand.
Detour. Look at all the foam, you guys. That's from the ocean. Looks like jelly. Can you guys get by this?
Oh no. What do you think, Peter? But it looks slippery.
No, I got loose rocks over here. There's a rock right
I'm
here.
actually gonna go in this hole.
There's a rock right there. Step on the rock if you
Okay.
can. Yeah.
Oh, but oh, my shoe almost got stuck.
Yeah. So where was the parking lot before?
Just right here, this turnaround.
Right here. We made it. How can I stand and get this whole thing? This area has bait stations containing dive phos. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Bait station. Oh look, Peter. I'll get excited when we get back to the car and it's not broken into. Rat problem over here, or mongoose problem. So
Look at they doing some kind of party ritual.
how did they get in there?
Where are they? I don't see. Oh, I see.
They walked in through the gate.
Yeah.
Maybe you can go in there. You just have to open the latch.
Yeah, I think so. We were just waiting and just gotta make sure there's a lock behind us.
Yeah. That's Waianae side over there. Makaha. Waianae, Nanakuli. Trying to say, the road used to go all the way around from Waianae side. This is the Waianae side, and you went all the way around to the Kaena Point to the. This is Kaena Point, but it went to the North Shore side, Haleiwa side, where Wailua is, and Mokuleia, the albatross.
Turn off the deceased. Hey,
Can you open?
yeah, I got it for you.
Thank
Kind
you.
of heavy.
Okay, you can close it. Thank you.
Leaping person soul. So that's where they send off the departed to some place or I don't know.
Luke, I saw
Huh?
that surfer girl.
Tina Cohen.
She has a 360 camera or something.
Oh yeah.
Wow, he's huge. Oh. Right there. There's a seal.
Oh yeah, I see it. There's a seal.
Oh, it's the same sign that was up there.
Goes all the way to the ocean.
Wait, I got it.
That's the entrance we had walked through earlier.
No, I like being out for myself without the crowd.
Because it's not flat. I know, I'm surprised there's no seals up on this beach. It would be better if it was
If we didn't have
nicer
to
day
worry about
before.
slipping and
Yeah, all the mud.
detours.
Yeah.
I really like that bird sanctuary.
Yeah, I never been in there. Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Bonus.
Yeah, the seal is a bonus.
Those are a bonus.
We're gonna go back on the beach side. But look at all the cars parked along the road there. It wasn't like that when we came. Lucky thing we came at 7 o'clock. Parking lot was not empty, but there was spaces. That's pretty much the end of our walk. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're just happy it's finished, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. We're also on Twitch now. You can check us out there, or you can join the PhotoLukeHawaii team on Patreon. That link is right there, or you can check out our PayPal link if you want to donate to us in that way. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Aloha.